Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error code IS-IN-MF01-32-32 on Epic Games. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager and then you need to close the game that you're trying to update or download. Maybe there is some instances here. So just look for the game. Let's say it's Fortnite, and then let's say it's Fortnite files here. And then you just need to right click and end all the tasks here of that particular game that you want to install or update. If this does not work, then what I suggest to do here is to simply restart your computer and Epic Games and try again. If this does not work, open up Epic Games Launcher, go to Library, press on the game that you're getting problems with, press on the three dots, go to Manage, then go and open Install Location here. Select Epic Games and you should have a Rocket League or other games folder here. Then minimize this window here, do not close it, and completely close Epic Games from your system tray as well here, and go to Task Manager, and it should be no Epic Games tasks left here. Then delete the folder that you're having problems with, or simply just rearrange and put to somewhere else, right? And once you do that, you can close this, and then you just need to open Epic Games Launcher again, and then try to install that particular game again, and it should be no errors here. Go to Library and then try to install it here. And if this does not work, then open up CMD as admin. Then here you need to write /c sfc scan now, and then wait until scan is done. I put command wrong, it's sfc and then /scan now, and wait until scan is done, and then restart your computer. If this does not work, then just go on installed apps, then look for Epic Games, and then just uninstall Epic Games Launcher, and then open a browser and go to epicgames.com and re-download again. But the first or the second solution should work. So that's pretty much it.